The truth is a damn hard pill to swallow. I'm reaching out, but all I feel is hollow. I wanna make you work, but all I do is make you worse. The truth.
Alright guys, so I'm here with Luvwin here. Make beauty easier. That's the company we're working with today, and that's just their little phrase. Now this bag feels good. It's like a nice velvety material. This is our entire package of it is. So I got a bonnet, nice champagne color. I got a edge brush and comb. Oh, and I'm seeing my wig, which I'm gonna jump into. So also got this pair of HD wig caps. I got a patterned headband, really cute. I got a elastic band, you know, great for melting down the front of your lace wig. Also, I got a pair of lashes. These are very nice and they're not too heavy, you know, so that's everything that came for our goodies. Now let's jump into the wig that we got. Okay, so today we have a 180% density straight hair with Yaki edges, 4C edges. So I know in the past I've showed you guys similar wigs today, saying you guys like, oh, the textures don't matter or whatever, but I feel like the purpose for them doing the edges like this for these wigs these days is to make it be more realistic. And you know, if you're gonna go ahead and like finesse it with edge control or gel or anything, that way you can get that little textured look to it. It doesn't look like that straight, especially if you're like a type 4 hair girly, you know, so you know your edges wouldn't necessarily be straight like the hair. I don't know, that's just how I see it. And I feel like it gives off more of a realistic vibe. For some people, I know that they don't like to finesse their edges, and sometimes when you guys see I'll get these type of textured edge wigs, that's the reason why I don't go ahead and like use any product to alter the look of it. I leave it as is, because I know some people don't care to do their edges, they don't want to do the swoops, and I'm here to really, you know, kind of like, you know, give you guys variety, show you guys different hair looks and stuff from time to time in different states, you know. So yeah, that's what we're working with today. As I said, this is a 180% density wig, and it's a 1B hair color. In terms of the length, I'm going to be sure to drop that down below as well, but this hair feels super silky. It feels so good. It's like butter through my fingers. It's really nice and straight out of the package. It does have a little bit of weight to it, but that's nice. I love that. It's very full to the tip of the hair, and not too much flyaways, so that's a really good thing. I think it's I believe it's a HD. I believe it's a HD lace, but you know, check my description box for all the specifications to double check. The knots are already nicely bleached and just customized, so I do love that. Inside has a extra adjustable elastic band, so you can have added security, and there's also a total of like 4 combs on the inside. So yeah, it's a nice standard cap construction. It didn't come with any adjustable straps, but I like sometimes when they add these little rubber parts to the caps, because it does add more security as well. It doesn't make the wig slip too much on your head, so that's a good thing. And of course it is graduated. It's because, you know, it's kind of textured, you can't really fully see it, but it's nicely graduated in the front, you know, nicely pre-plucked. So that looks really good. Love with a quad with himself. I really like that. So now that I show you guys that, I'm gonna go ahead and jump on into applying this wig. Let's go. Okay, so right off the bat, slipping it onto my head, it's really snugged, so you know, I love that. Really and truly, I really love that. Yeah, the cap, yeah, it's giving like quality, the feel of the hair, everything. Yeah, it feels really good. This is a medium cap, by the way, that I got. So yeah, we're gonna do a glueless install with this. I'm gonna be using my I'm gonna be using my Ebin New York Wonder Lace Bond Adhesive Spray Extra Mega Hold. You guys know I've been using this for a while, ain't nothing new. So you know, I'm gonna cut off the excess on the sides, but I'm really happy with the fit of this because it really encourages a nice glueless install, as I say. You know, and you know what, before I even go ahead and apply the spray right across the hairline, we're gonna see how this looks without too much product. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cut off all the extra lace and see, because this is giving like a really snugged feel, and I'm so here for it. Be mindful when you cut off from the sides that you will you know, encourage a little bit more shedding in that area, just because you're cutting like from the lace, so you will get a little bit of shedding there. So that looks good. Go ahead and cut this side. So I feel like that is sitting on my hairline pretty nicely. So now I just go around.
The truth is a damn hard pill to swallow.
Okay. That's a really nice laid vibes. I really do not even need like adhesive, like the spray right across the hairline. Like, so you know the drill, right? I literally just go on the sides here with my spray and I spray that down. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This looks so good. I'm so pleased. I'm so pleased. This is too convenient. Yeah. First time working with Luvwin and they're already rubbing me the right way. Like that. Get the spray bottle. And I'm gonna go in just that amount, just in this area. And then blow dryer on cool air. And that's all there is to it. That's literally all there is to it. The rest of the hairline literally has no product. None whatsoever. Now, remember, as I said initially, when I just unboxed this wig, yes, in the past, I remember doing a like whole vibe similar to this where the hair was straight and the edges were kinky, and a lot of you guys were like, not my kind of vibe, not my kind of vibe. But as I said, I just really want you guys to see this whole, like, the realistic look of it. And then from there, you could literally go ahead and move it. Because let me tell you, some of my best edge looks, or like just working with like edges overall, or when I'm going to create my edges, I feel like it comes out better when the edge has like, when the hair like has more texture to it. So like these type of textures work so well when like finessing your edges and stuff. So I personally love that. I'm not gonna do much to it because I want to keep it that way for the video, so you guys can have like a feel, like you can see exactly what it's giving, and the lace looks really nice and natural, you know, it's, yeah, it's of great quality. But I'm gonna do a center part, and I forgot to mention this is actually a 13x4 lace front. I don't think I recall telling you guys that this is actually a 13x4, so I'm gonna get it nice and just laying in the direction that it needs to go. And yeah, that looks really good. So I'm gonna take my time and thoroughly use my hot comb to run through the top here so it's laying nice and flat and looks really good.
I'm reaching out, but all I feel is hollow. I wanna make you work, but all I do is make you worse. The truth is a damn hard pill to swallow. Don't you wanna come on over? Don't you wanna work it out? Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me now? Don't you wanna fix our problems? Baby, I can show you how. Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me now?
Yeah, so this is how the hair is looking. Haven't ran my hot comb through it, as it. That's exactly what I'm gonna do now. But yeah, see, super natural, super natural. So and to know that there is absolutely no adhesive holding down the majority of this lace front, I love that. Love that. So now I'm just gonna quickly run through this with my flat iron. It's really not gonna take a lot of work. I can feel it. The quality of this hair is top tier.
The truth is a damn hard pill to swallow. I'm reaching out, but all I feel is hollow. I wanna make you work, but all I do is make you worse. The truth is a damn hard pill to swallow. Don't you wanna come on over? Don't you wanna work it out? Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me now? Don't you wanna fix our problems? Baby, I can show you how. Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me now? Don't you wanna come on over? Don't you wanna work it out? Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me now? Don't you wanna fix our problems? Baby, I can show you how. Don't you wanna love me better?
So I'm all done with straightening the hair. All I'm gonna do to finish this off is brighten the parting.
Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me now? Don't you wanna fix our problems? Baby, I can show you how. Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me now?
So I think it looks very realistic, very natural looking. Look at that. Look at that. Very natural looking. Like, yeah. Beautiful, beginner friendly, kinky edge, straight hair wig install. There you have it, guys. It looks super natural. I'm very pleased, very pleased. I 10 out of 10 would recommend this wig if you're looking for something more on the natural side, you know, something that takes a lot less work and it's giving top tier quality. Yeah, this is your wig, especially if you're into like a nice straight texture. It's very silky, you know, minimal shedding, by the way. Minimal shedding. The most I got shedding from this was when I cut out with the excess lace on the sides. That was it. So I'm very pleased. Shout out to Luvwin here for today's wig look. As I said before, the direct link to this wig will be in my description box, as well as all the specifications, so you can go ahead, double check that to see the length, the density, all that good stuff down below right there. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you found this informative, and I'll see you in my next video.
Love me better.